Meet the man of geography, a unique teacher who's here to fill in the gaps of traditional education. He's passionate about making geography fun, engaging, and easy to understand, and I'm excited to introduce you to him today. We've all been there, sitting in a classroom, staring at a map, and wondering why we need to learn about rivers, mountains, and countries. But the truth is, traditional school education often lacks in-depth geographical knowledge and fails to make the subject engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Let me know in the comments section what you thought of the man of geography and what you'd like to learn more about in future videos. I'm excited to hear from you. Your insights and questions make this journey even more exciting. See you next time as we continue our journey of discovery with the man of geography. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.